Hey guys, so this is a world exclusive premiere. You are the first ones to ever see me in a hat. I am really not into wearing hats. I think this feels so weird, and I am actually heading out soon to meet with some friends, and it will be the first time they ever see me in a hat as well. So I guess this will be weird both for me and for them. But enough about my hat. I am going to tell you about a sexy summer fragrance. And the one I'm going to tell you about is Agent Provocateur's Femme Fatale Intense. Femme Fatale is soft, warm and spicy. It's also fruity and it contains leather. This is an amber and floral fragrance, and I think it goes well on both men and women. And I think it's really sweet and sexy. It's spicy and oriental in a very good way, and this is a fragrance that I always get compliments for, with notes such as licorice, dewberry and pepper, chili pepper. This is a fragrance with many layers and I think it's so cool. It evolves very interesting on my skin and I like it more and more every time I use it. The leather, musk and the vanilla in the base makes it really round and deep. And wow, this is really nice, spicy, oriental, fruity, and with some edge thanks to the leather. This is a fragrance I think you can use all year round. It's really good in the winter when it's cold outside and you get this spicy, sweet, licorice, leather kind of notes, but it's also so nice in the summer with the dewberry together with the chili pepper, and I think it's a really cool one. And that, guys, was it for this review. I really like it and I would recommend you to try it out. I actually got this as a gift from a friend. I think it was for my birthday, and I mean, fragrances as gifts is like the best gifts you can get. So if you have some birthday coming up and you don't know what to buy, maybe a fragrance and maybe this one is the one you should go with. That was it for today. I hope you liked the video. Please give me a thumbs up. Subscribe to get more videos and fragrance fun with me. So, and of course, you need to tell me in the comments if you like me in this hat. I don't know. Either I will go out today and I will look great in a hat, or I will go out today and I will look like a fool. So tell me in the comments what you think about it. Thank you so much for watching and I will see you next time. Bye.